Lot number 141 is a 2014 Infiniti QX70. This one has a rebuilt title. This is a stolen recovery vehicle. Many parts are missing. Many parts are dismantled. But the motor, transmission are in place. The car runs, and I drove it in here. I wouldn't drive it on the street, but I did drive it in the parking lot. And the automatic transmission engages, the AC blows cold, and the motor sounds good. This car only has 18,000 miles. Very low miles. The motor really sounds good. I'm gonna rev it up for you so you can hear it. The motor revs up nice. It sounds very responsive. It's got very low miles, only 18,000. Again, parts are missing. This car was stolen. Parts were removed. It appears to be missing the front bumper and grille. The front windshield is cracked. It's got the 4 matching alloy wheels. This one's missing the center cap. And the tires look fair. They may look meaty, but they may also be dry rotted. It's been sitting around for a long time. This car was stolen a couple of years ago, and parts were removed. It was recovered and placed in storage, and it's been sitting there since. It's only missing one of those center caps. It's missing a little cover that goes right there. The interior is dismantled. It's missing a lot of parts. Let me lower this radio. Okay. It's missing a lot of parts in here. A lot of them are scattered throughout the car. A lot of panels. The seats are loose. All the bolts are gone. Here's the passenger seat. It's got a lot of indentations. There's a lot of parts thrown around, and the leather appears to have been, indented. As you see back here, a lot of panels are thrown around. The glove box is back here, spare tire. This car may clean up nice. It's nice leather interior. It didn't have a lot of use before it was stolen. So it may clean up nice, but some of this leather and some of these panels may be damaged. Here are the miles. 18,000 miles. Brake light is on, check engine light, the key, a couple of lights are on. But it does run and drive. I mean, I drove it in the parking lot. Again, I wouldn't drive it on the street. The brakes feel very low. And it's been sitting for a long time. This is good to take it to the shop, clean it up, put it all back together, and you're gonna have a nice Infiniti. The body looks good, nice and straight. The paint still looks good. It's missing both trims on the front fenders, the bumper, the grille. Many other parts may be missing that I don't know of. I'm just saying what I see here. It's a good looking car. Motor sounds good. Automatic transmission engages, and the AC is blowing cold. Only 18,000 miles. All right, there you have it. It's an Infiniti. Rebuilt title. It's a QX70. It's got some dents on this fender, I just noticed. It's lot number 141. 141. Good luck.